Hey y'all, today I'm gonna help Leanna to take her room from this.
Oh, you can't see me.
Oh, that hurt. Into this. Let's show you how it's done. Tell me. Alright y'all, so first of all, you guys are going to want to go Amazon, wherever you want to buy things, get a strip of any sort of LED lights, whatever you guys want, just stick on, they're like rolled up in on a spool, any type of stickable strip of LED lights that's flexible. First of all, you're going to want to open the box, pull out everything, then you're going to want to hook everything up and plug it in. For ours, there was a part that plugged into the wall, then an adapter with the sensor, and then the LED strips plugged into the adapter. Then you're going to want to plug it in and hook it up. Then you're gonna wanna remove the backing, stick it up, and that's all there is to it. Last step is to have fun with it, so that's all there is to it.
Okay, so now you've decided whether you or not you want to get lights. You know how to put them up, but what about, like, is there anything I need to watch for, any tips? I got you covered.
Let me just run you through those real quick. So first of all, our cousins actually are the ones who gave them to us. Thank you guys so much. So when our cousins got them for us, they told us, make sure you put them very close to the ceiling, and here's why. The strands with the LEDs are actually so flexible that if you're not close to the ceiling, it might be hard to keep a straight line. What I did was, when I was sticking them, I would have the part that was stuck, but then the part that I was just about to stick, I would pull out about a foot, and I would just put my hand as close to the ceiling as I could, and then just slide along. And I'd get another foot, put the end of it as close to the ceiling as I could, and then slide along. And then you get a nice straight line. Tip number 2 is to hide the cord. So what I did was I plugged them in behind my door in my bedroom, and that way the cord would go up and it was behind my door, so whenever the door was open, you wouldn't see it. The only bummer with that though is you also want to make sure to not block the sensor. So for ours, the sensor was right on that little adapter box, so you have it plugged in, goes up to the sensor, and then goes up to the LED strips. Well, for me, the sensor is behind the door of my bedroom, so the door has to be closed for it to sense from the remote, otherwise it won't work. Whereas in Vianne's room, I put the cord coming up from behind her mirror, and the sensor's peeking over the top, so she'll be able to do it at any point. And the last tip, guys, is the little remote that it comes with. If you guys choose to get an LED strip with a remote, please, please, please tape it up somewhere, okay? Unless you don't have anyone who's gonna misplace it, including yourself. I just stuck a couple pieces of tape to the back, stuck it right onto my bed. Really, it just looks like it's a controller built into the bed, quite frankly, and it works, it stays, it's perfect.
Oh, I see.
By the way, quick tip here, if you take a panoramic on the iPhone while the lights are in fade mode, you get this. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Tell them what they need to know.
Love you, miss you, or what?
Tell them what they need to know. Okay, I'm going out, y'all. I'm literally nauseous from all that. I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm probably gonna throw it up, but that was worth it. Goodbye.